Imagine a vehicle that combines power, mobility, and protection. It's not just a transport, but an armored guardian on wheels, ready for any challenges on the battlefield. In this video we'll introduce you to the unique Pandur 2 8x8, a vehicle that excels in tasks other vehicles simply can't handle. If you want to learn what makes this machine stand out, keep watching. The Pandur 2 8x8 is an armored wheeled vehicle designed to be as versatile as possible in any conditions. It was created to perform a wide range of tasks, from troop transport to fire support. This vehicle is so flexible that it can be used for various operations, from peacekeeping missions to the toughest combat situations. The Pandur 2 was developed by the Czech company in the early 2000s, and since then, it has become one of the most popular armored vehicles among the armed forces of various countries. Externally, the Pandur 2 looks solid and imposing. It has 8 wheels and can move across any terrain. Even if there are significant obstacles in its way, mud, sand, or rocks, this vehicle doesn't lose its maneuverability. One of the main features of the Pandur 2 is its armored design. The vehicle can protect its crew and soldiers from shrapnel, bullets, and even small shells. The armor can withstand impacts up to 14.5 millimeters, which is a good protection against small arms fire. Of course, in the case of more powerful threats, the Pandur 2 may be vulnerable, but its task is to operate in environments where fast movement and safety are the priorities. What else makes the Pandur 2 unique? It's its ability to adapt to various tasks. The vehicle can be equipped with many different types of armament. For example, it can be fitted with a 30mm cannon for fire support or anti-tank missiles for destroying enemy vehicles. This versatility makes the vehicle suitable for both offensive and defensive operations. But that's not all. Inside the Pandur 2, everything is designed with the understanding that the vehicle must operate in various climatic conditions. The crew consists of 3 people, a driver, a commander, and a gunner. They work in a protected cabin with modern communication and navigation systems, allowing them to respond quickly to changes on the battlefield and maintain contact with other military units or allies. It's important to note that the Pandur 2 is not just a machine for moving troops from one place to another. It's a mobile base capable of performing various missions. For example, it can be used for patrolling dangerous areas, reconnaissance, or even as a temporary command post. In some cases, the Pandur 2 serves as transport for critical supplies or for medical evacuation. An example of the successful use of the Pandur 2 is its deployment in peacekeeping operations. The vehicle has been used in countries such as Afghanistan and Iraq, where it had to operate in high temperatures and sandstorms. Despite the challenging conditions, the Pandur 2 has proven itself to be a reliable and low-maintenance vehicle capable of performing effectively in any environment. Due to its versatility and high level of protection, the Pandur 2 has become indispensable in the armed forces of several countries. The vehicle can be adapted to meet the needs of each army, whether it's for peacekeeping missions, fighting insurgents, or even in conventional combat operations. For many countries, this vehicle has become a key asset in their strategic plans. When we talk about the Pandur 2, we should also highlight its mobility. It is equipped with a powerful diesel engine that allows it to reach speeds of up to 100 km per hour on highways and provides excellent cross-country performance. Thanks to its 8 independent wheels, the vehicle remains stable even on the most difficult terrain. However, the Pandur 2 is not limited to just high mobility. Another important feature is its protection against explosions. It is equipped with a special design that helps reduce the impact of blast waves, which is especially important in areas where mines or improvised explosive devices may be present. It's also worth emphasizing that the Pandur 2 is not just a military vehicle. It can also be used for humanitarian missions. For example, this vehicle can assist in delivering humanitarian aid to areas where roads or infrastructure have been destroyed, making it an important tool for saving lives in extreme conditions. The interior of the Pandur 2 is also designed with the understanding that the vehicle needs to operate in various climatic conditions. In hot countries, it is equipped with air conditioning systems that help maintain a comfortable climate for the crew, while in colder regions there are heating systems in place. When we consider the Pandur 2 from a military strategy perspective, we can see how its versatility affects the overall outcome of an operation. This vehicle can be quickly deployed and used anywhere on the battlefield. If at any point an evacuation is required or fire support is needed, the Pandur 2 is ready to carry out the task. Moreover, each version of the Pandur 2 can be modified to meet specific needs. For example, there are variants with additional armament or more powerful engines for operation in more challenging conditions. This means that the military can select exactly the configuration that suits them best. We should also highlight how the Pandur II plays a role in reconnaissance. Equipped with modern surveillance and communication systems, it can perform intelligence-gathering tasks and even act as a platform for managing combat operations. The crew using these systems can significantly increase the effectiveness of the entire operation. Over time, despite its versatility and high performance, the Pandur II continues to evolve. Developers are constantly working on improving its features to ensure it can compete with newer models of armored vehicles and meet the challenges of modern combat conditions. In the future, the Pandur II could be equipped with new types of weapons and enhanced protection systems, making it even more effective against high-tech threats. This continuous process of improvement ensures that the Pandur II remains relevant today and is prepared for any challenges in the future. In conclusion, the Pandur II 8x8 is truly a unique vehicle that plays a crucial role in modern armed forces. Its characteristics make it indispensable on the battlefield, and its high level of protection and mobility allows it to perform a wide range of tasks. If you're interested in military vehicles, be sure to follow the development of similar machines and don't miss our next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. Share your thoughts on the Pandur II or suggest a topic for our next video. We're always happy to discuss interesting aspects of military technology with you.